Hello friends, so the only thing that I really like about this channel is that I always love to be transparent, and if you have been watching my videos, I always show you the ways that makes me money, so I can share with you. You can also start making money through these ways that I do on this channel. So today I'm gonna show you how much I made recently, and I'm gonna show this payment. This is January this year. I made 163, and you can see here $82, $120. All this money I made only by using AI tools. I started using these AI tools that made me such amount of money, $160, $120 just last year. So last year, the year that I started using this tool, and I'm pretty sure that by the end of this year, I'll be making more. I'll be making like decent amount of money using these tools. And in this video, I'm so excited, to share with you these AI tools that can make you up to $1,000. This is very trusted, and later in this video I will show you how I made this amount of money that I showed you earlier, all the strategies I used, and how I started making this little amount of money that you have seen. I'm not really promising you to make $10,000 with just 1 month and all that. This is gonna make a reasonable amount of money, but it's really gonna take time. It's really gonna take some time. It can take 2 months, it can take 3 months, but you just need to start with this right now so you can also start making this amount of money that I'm going to show you in this video. The very good thing about these AI tools is that they are nearly available into many countries, and they are free to use tools. So if you are going to join on these tools right now, you can start making money right away, and this is a very trusted platform. So in today's video, I'm going to show you these AI tools that can start making a decent amount of money right after start using these tools. So this is very important, and I wish you listen to this video till the end of this video so you can see all the tools and how are you going to start making money. Let's dive in. Alright, so our very first website is called Pictory. This is the AI tool, and I'm pretty sure that most of you don't know about this website. This is a very trusted AI tool that can start making money. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you like how much you can make using this AI tool, but also I'm gonna show you what to do exactly for you to start making money using this AI tool. So all you want to do right now, you need to go to this website and you can sign up here. As you can see here, you can just write your email, and if you have Gmail account, it's very good because you can just sign up with your Gmail account. And I'm gonna sign up with my Gmail account, and let's say that you want to make a video that can show someone explains to the students or to the audience. So you can just write here a prompt that you need to see someone explaining to the audience, explaining to the students, and just by writing, this website is going to generate a video that shows someone explaining to the audience, and you can see this video right here. So by making this type of videos, you can start generating reasonable amount of money. So this is how you're going to make money, and this is the best strategy for anyone who is very interested on this AI tool. How exactly are you going to make money using this AI tool, which is called Pictory? All you want to do right now, you have to listen to me carefully. So you have to reach out to local business in your area, and let's say that this local business is dealing with selling flowers. Okay, you need to ask them if you can make a video promoting flowers. So you need to go to this website and you need to write good prompt that shows a person who is selling flowers. All right, and just by doing that, this website is going to generate a good video for you that shows someone who is selling flowers. And just by doing that, you can sell this video to this shop that is dealing with selling flowers and all other items and all that. And you can sell this video starting $50 up to $200, $300. It just depends on how big that shop is. So just by doing that, you can convince them to buy this video, and they can go ahead and post it on their social media. It can be Instagram or TikTok, and at the end of the time, they can get reasonable customers because of this video that you designed or you generated for them using this website, which is called Pictory. So this is a tool that a lot of companies, a lot of local business right now, they're using to make video for their business, but not a lot of people they are aware of this. So that's the reason I say that you can start making these videos and start selling these videos to local business that they need to promote their business, but they really don't know like what the best way to promote their business using AI, and this is for you. So right now let's go to Jasper.ai. This next website is called Jasper AI. This is very trusted and is a very known website, and I'm pretty sure that you know about this website. But how are you going to make money using this website? So all you want to do right now, you can reach out to local business as well. You can just reach out to local business and ask them if you can start handling their social media accounts. It can be Instagram or TikTok. There are a lot of social media accounts right now on Instagram, but the problem is that this local business, they really don't know how to handle these social media. They really don't know how to post it. They really don't know how to write captions. They really don't know how to get engagement. So the only thing that you can do right now, you need to go ahead and ask if they can allow you to start managing their social media accounts. After becoming a manager of this social media account for this local business, you need to go to this website, which is called Jasper, and this website will help you to write good emails, to write good content strategies. The very good thing about this website is that you are going to get knowledge about everything promoting the business that you are in right now. But also, this website is going to help you to write captions and very engaging captions that can attract a lot of customers to this local business that you are managing the account. And also, it's going to give you different marketing ideas that you can find on this AI tool, which is called Jasper AI. So how much exactly are you going to make just by managing the accounts and make sure that you get a lot of ideas from this AI tool? You can get paid up to $300. There are a lot of people, they are getting up to $700 just by managing local business accounts, and they are making a reasonable amount of money. So this one, I think, is really for you, and you can start right now. If you really want to become a social media manager to different local business, this AI tool can really help you. So right now, let's go to our next one. So our next AI tool is called Canva AI. And I want to tell you a little interesting thing about this, so you can really believe that people are really making money using this AI tool. So last week I paid $100 for this person who designed for me these posters, and you can see they just used a very simple template on Canva, and they come up with this design, and I paid them $100 just by designing these posters for me. And you can see there are a lot of small business right now. They need posters like this. They need different designs, and they can be ready to pay you up to $100. They can be ready to pay you up to $500 just for you to go ahead and design something good for their business, something good for their company. So all you want to do right now, you need to go to Canva, then you need to sign up on Canva and start designing different posters, different YouTube thumbnails, and all that, and people, they can pay you a reasonable amount of money. There are other people are using this website Canva AI. They are designing good thumbnails for YouTube channels, and they're selling these thumbnails for YouTube creators up to $15 per one thumbnails. So let's say that you sell at least 10 thumbnails, you can sell up to $150 every single month per 15 thumbnails that you're going to design for different business or different creators that you're working with. This one is very, very, very good way for you to start making money using Canva AI. This is our next AI tool that can make you up to $1,000, I think, and this platform and this AI tool is becoming more and more common. A lot of people are using them right now, and they're making decent amount of money. So this AI tool is called ElevenLabs. And how are you going to make money using ElevenLabs? This AI tool is going to help you to create voiceover for any project that you are working on. It can be a podcast, it can be YouTube channel video. So let's say that you have a YouTube channel and you don't want to use your own voice. So all you want to do right now, you can just create a video and you can use a voiceover from this AI tool, which is called ElevenLabs. So you can just write the script, and you are going to choose like what kind of voice that you want this project to be on, and this platform, this AI tool, is going to give you good voice that you want for your project. It can be a podcast, it can be a YouTube video, and I've seen a lot of people, they are making up to $2,000, and they have never used their own voice on YouTube. They're just using these AI voices and they're making reasonable amount of money on YouTube. And as you can see right now, there are a lot of YouTube channels that you can never hear a human voice. You only hear these AI voices, and this website is where they get, these voices, AI voices on their project. So if you really want to start a YouTube channel but you don't want to use your voice, you can just start using this AI tool and you can start making reasonable amount of money. You can make $2,000, $3,000. It just depends on how good your content is. There are a lot of podcasts right now. They're using ElevenLabs voices on different projects and they get good amount of money. So this is very, very good way for you to start making money using AI voices through ElevenLabs. So the last thing that I'm so excited to share with you, like how much you can make using AI tools, is using ChatGPT. And I'm saying this because I showed you like how much I made using a tool, and this tool is ChatGPT. So every video that you see on my channel, I never made a video on my channel without using ChatGPT to get script, to get ideas and all that. So ChatGPT is helping me to come up with these good ideas to make videos and all that. And as you can see on this channel, I made anywhere around 160, 120, $200 up to $500, and I could never do this without the help of ChatGPT. That's the reason I say that this is the best AI tool that you can start using if you want to start a YouTube channel, if you want to start a business, if you want to start anything. ChatGPT is there to help you to come up with business idea that can make you a reasonable amount of money, to come up with the YouTube channel that can make you decent amount of money, just like mine. I'm making reasonable amount of money because I got these ideas from ChatGPT. And on ChatGPT you can use ChatGPT to create a script, to design logo. And the good thing about ChatGPT as well, you can also start selling these logos that you design on ChatGPT. And most of my logos I use ChatGPT to design, and it can also help you to write articles on Blogspot, on website. And also you can get the help of social media management using ChatGPT. So this one is the best AI tool, and I recommend if you have never used the ChatGPT. I'm pretty sure that all of you ever use ChatGPT. So if we are always using ChatGPT but you don't know how to make money using it, you can start using ChatGPT to start making money. You can make a reasonable amount of money, and it's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. That's the reason I say that you have to start using ChatGPT right now to start making money. So in this video, I mentioned to you 5 AI tools that can really start making money for you, at least $1,000. But I just want to say that you really have to be careful what you're watching these videos. I never promised that you can make $10,000, and I never promised that this is gonna be easy. This is gonna take some time. It's not a get rich quick scheme. I'm not promising you that you can get really rich just by doing that. No, I'm just saying that you can start using this AI tool and you can start making a reasonable amount of money. But it just depends on how good it just depends on how consistent you are at everything you do using these AI tools, because at the end of the time it always depends on your effort and consistency. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you next time. My name is Hans David. Thanks so much.